Okay, so we have a quick unboxing of the new Sony 50 to 150 f2, and I'm very excited to try out this lens. This is what you get when you get the retail US version, and I bought this with my own money so I can compare it to the Tamron 35 to 150. Comes in a very nice little carrying case here, but I would assume I would have it on my camera all the time if it's that great. Okay, so here it is. And the first thing that struck me is it feels a lot lighter than I thought it would. Now, it is slightly heavier than the Tamron 35 to 150. And what I'm really curious is how I'm going to deal with the 50 millimeter starting point versus the 35 on the Tamron. But I can tell you, just holding it in my hand, I really like the balance of it. And another cool thing about this lens is the as you're zooming the lens, it's all internal. So basically, you're not introducing any dust into the lens like you would with a lens that externally protrudes out. So that is kind of cool. I do like the the foot there for mounting on a tripod. That is something that's really needed on the 35 to 150. And it's not as kind of metal feeling. It is made out of a high quality plastic. The throw there from the 50 to 150 is very short. Now I'm going to go ahead. I have it mounted on my Sony A1 with the battery grip, and already just having it in my hand, I can tell that the balance of it is really nice. But really, it's the aspects of how well it works. So be sure to come back to my channel and check out my testing of the comparison to the 35 to 150. And here's just some quick 8K footage. If you want to see what it works with video, that's what my channel is all about. So be sure to come back and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.